To add a second router to Xfinity, you will need to create a network setup that extends your internet coverage and improves connectivity. First, ensure your Xfinity router is working properly and you have a stable internet connection. Next, purchase a second router that is compatible with your Xfinity setup, considering factors such as wireless standard, speed, and compatibility with your devices. Connect your second router to your Xfinity router using an Ethernet cable. Plugging one end into the second router's Internet port and the other end into any available Ethernet port on your Xfinity router. Configure your second router by accessing its web interface, usually by typing its IP address into a web browser. The default IP address is usually printed in the router's manual or on the underside of the device. Log in to the second router using the default admin username and password, also found in the manual. Change the default admin username and password to secure your router. Navigate to the wireless settings section and change the wireless channel to avoid interference. With your Xfinity router, set the wireless network name and password to match your Xfinity router, or create a separate network for the second router. In the LAN settings section, change the IP address of the second router to be on the same subnet as your Xfinity router, but with a different IP address. For example, if your Xfinity router's IP address is 10.0.0.1, set the second router's IP address to 10.0.0.2. Disable the DHCP server on the second router, as your Xfinity router will handle device assignments. Save your changes and restart the second router. Connect your devices to the second router's wireless network or using Ethernet cables. Test your internet connection on devices connected to both routers to ensure they are working properly. By following these steps, you can successfully add a second router to your Xfinity setup, extending your network coverage and improving your overall internet experience.